Hey, freelancers and fellow sellers. Ever wondered how top sellers seems to stay online 24/7 even while sleeping? Today I'm revealing the top secrets to Fiverr accounts longevity and how to use VPS to manage your Fiverr account safely and efficiently. Stay with me. This can protect your accounts and boost your visibility. So talking about VPS. A VPS or virtual private server is like a remote computer you can access from anywhere. It runs 24/7 even while your personal PC is off, your phone is off, or any device you are using is off. This is super useful for Fiverr because Fiverr rewards sellers who appear online more often. As a Fiverr seller, um you have to be online for you to rank higher in search engine. So why VPN is powerful for Fiverr seller? Why is it powerful? You can stay online even when your PC is off. You reduce the risk of account flagging, especially if you are switching devices or location a lot. You can install a browser inside the VPS and just log into Fiverr once, then leave it opened. Your account will stay online 24/7. So never use multiple IP addresses on one Fiverr account. Fiverr is great about that. That is where dedicated VPS helps. It has its own unique IP. So I will advise you to go for VPS instead of you struggling with Fiverr accounts and the likes. So let's dive in. Let's dive in. So here I'll be showing you how you can log in your VPS. So you can get your VPS from any VPS server platform, but the one I'm using now is Ionix. So when you get your VPS, you'll be given an IP address, username, and password. So that's what you are going to use to log in. So over to your search bar and search for RDP. I've used a lot of VPS. You can see I have a lot of IP. So this is my VPS open. So let's copy my IP address, paste, click on connect. Then after that, we need to input our username, which is the administrator. So waiting for connection. Okay. So here we are going to input our username. Then make sure you copy your password also. Your password. Then click on remember me. If this is your server, click on remember me. So every time you want to log into your server account, you don't need to go through all this process again. Just click on remember me, and anytime you want to log in, just click on connect. So just click on OK and okay. So connecting already. So here it's pop up some questions. So just leave it and don't ask me again. Click on yes. So now I'm inside my server. So I just got this server yesterday. So I was able to set it up because um of some what's it called? Some what's it called on my desk. So though I've logged in and I've do some work, but I'm unable to set everything up like that. So now this is my server. I'm inside my server. So you can see I only have two browsers and um I only have two browsers there, and my account is not there already. Like I haven't set anything up. I just what's good put it there. So you can just look for you as you can see there is no VPN attached to this browser. So let's check our location. Come. So this is another PC inside your PC. So anytime you want to log in, you log in into the PC. So now this the country of this server is Australia, and this is the IP address. So this is the city, the region, and the organization where we got the VPS. So let's move on. So here inside this PC, you can download any browser and just put your account online. So you know how to uh, log in your Fiverr account. After logging in, put your auto refresh, then close this when you are done. Maybe you are done setting up everything. You add your accounts, maybe like three accounts, four accounts, and the likes. Then your maybe probably your piece is about to die, or your network is not stable, or anything just you can't just be carrying your PC around to stay online. So or you just need to cancel. Yeah. So when you cancel, it pop up some information that your remote session will be disconnected. Program on this remote computer will continue to run after you have disconnected. You can reconnect to this remote section later by again, logging on again. So just click on. So if I have my PC and I if I off my PC and maybe tomorrow, after tomorrow, or maybe in 5 days time, I want to log in or check up my account. I'll just go to the P on my phone on my PC, and this you can log in your private computer on your mobile phone. So it's very simple. So I'll be doing that next, probably in my next video. So stay tuned. So let's connect. We discover that we are going to land to the exact window or the exact place we are using before. So let's check it out. So this is it. So we are here again, and your account will be online 24/7. So as you can see. So now you can open Chrome or Firefox or Vivaldi or Chromium or any browser you're using inside your VPS. Log in into your Fiverr account and just leave it running. You stay online all day, all day, all day. So, as you can see, account is here. So if our account gets banned or restricted for weird things, logging in from too many
This is
places
how
using
to
VPNs
protect your
or
account
can't
changes.
from any restriction or account revocation and a lot of issues and problems you might be facing on your account. So use only one IP address. The VPS solve this. Yeah. Don't log in from different device. Stick to your VPS and your phone. Stick to your VPS
Log
on
in
your
both
PC
randomly,
or your phone. If you are logging in on your
not
phone, make sure you are not logging on your PC. So keep your browser and cookies consistent. Stay online longer. Further notice is available online. And remember, your Fiverr account is your business. Treat it with care. Yes. No, you all just want to make money on Fiverr, so make sure you treat it with care. And so let's just minimize. So we have
okay.
minimized this.
I'm coming.
So the VPS report, I've logged in, and I you can minimize it and still be working on your own PC and work inside the VPS at the same time. So this is it. So window D. Okay, coming. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, we have another PC inside PC. So these are VPS. Why this is my PC. So if this video help you, smash the like button and hit subscribe for more clever tips. Need help getting a secure VPS or setting it up? Kindly drop in, in the comment section
Comment.
or DM me. Uh, you can go to the comment section or over to my YouTube channel. You'll find the link on my profile, so you can just DM me directly. So I help freelancers set up the fast and safest VPS for Fiverr. Okay, trying to open this. Come in. Stay safe, stay online, and let Fiverr work for you, even while you sleep. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.